Hello everyone, welcome to TV Math Hub. In this video, we will be presenting to you Senior 4 Mathematics Seminar questions that have been carefully selected and designed to help you apply the mathematics concepts that you have studied and to help you in strengthening your problem solving skills. So make sure you take time to go through this video. And in case you are going to sit for your final examinations at Senior 4 level, you will find this video so helpful. Please watch up to the end. We shall first of all talk about the setting format for this mathematics paper. This paper consists of two sections, that is section A and section B. Section A is made up of two compulsory items and section B is made up of two parts, that is part 1 and part 2. Each of these two parts have two items, and a learner is only supposed to answer only one item in each part. So when we look at the total number of parts, we are having two parts in section A. So we have two items in section A that you are supposed to answer and two items in section B. So in total, you are supposed to answer 4 items. That is 2 items in A and 2 items in section B. But as we said, you will answer only one item in the first part and one item in the second part. So this is part 1 and this is part 2. So in total, you must make sure you answer 4 items and don't make a mistake and you answer all the 2 items from one part of the section B. Otherwise, they will only consider only one item that will be answered and another one will not be considered. So make sure you follow the instructions very well. 2 items from section A and 2 items from section B, but ensure that you choose only one item from the 2 parts that are in section B. So let us look at what are those items. We shall look at item number 1. Item number 1 is coming from this section, that is number bases, working with integers, fractions, percentages and decimals, numerical concepts, that is indices, then surds, ratios and proportions, sequence and patterns. No, sequence and patterns, that is in item 2. So only these parts here, that is 6. Those are 6 topics. So 6 topics will be giving you only one item, and that will be item 1. So item 1, expect it to be coming from only these topics. Then item number 2 will be on patterns and algebra. Those ones are sequences and patterns, equations of lines and curves, algebra 1 and 2, mappings and relations, vectors and translations, inequalities and regions, equations of a straight line. Then you talk about simultaneous equations, quadratic equations, composite functions, linear programming, then and loci. Let us now talk about section B. Section B will be consisting of 2 parts, as we have earlier seen, and from each part you are only choosing one item. So section B, part 1, will be giving you 2 items, that is item 3 and item 4. Then the area of construct will be data and probability. Then the topics that will be under that will be data collection, statistics, graphs, set theory, matrices, probability. So from these areas here, you will be expecting to have item 3 and item 4. And remember, you only pick only one item from this part. And lastly, it will be part 2 of section B. Part 2 of section B, also as we said, you choose only one item. And it is also consisting of 2 items, that is item 5 and item 6. The area of construct is geometry and measures. And under this, expect questions that will be talking about geometric construction skills, bearings, general paper and angle properties of geometrical figures, reflection, business mathematics. Then expect also to use idea on time and timetables, similarities and enlargement, circles, rotation. All these parts here, all these topics here will be giving you item 5 and 6. And out of these, you will only choose only one item. So in general, we have seen the paper will be consisting of 6 items and you will only be required to answer 4 items. The following are some of the items. Make sure that you go through each of these items and see how best you are prepared for the forthcoming exams. So this is item number 1, and it is about the numbers. So here it is. Go through this question here and see if you are able to get the answers. This is item number 2. This is item number 3. Item number 4 is about patterns and algebra. Likewise, item 5. And also item number 6. We also have item 7. So the next items are about for section B, and theme that is data and probability. That is where item number 8 is coming from. We also have item number 9. Then here is item number 10. Item number 11. And lastly, we have items on geometry and measures. As we saw earlier, this is the last part of section B. So these are some of the numbers, some of the items that can be asked in this part. Then this is item 15. Item 16. Item 17. And that will be the last item. Yeah.